In this video, we're going to solve a particular problem which is appear in the year 2018. So let's understand the problem statement and our goal. So here we have to create a 5-digit number using the digit 1 to 5, which are all distinct. And we have to find how many possibly 5-digit number can be formed, which is divisible by 4, and each number can allow to repeat itself. So let's go ahead and solve the problem. So now here the given numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our aim is to form a 5-digit number which is divisible by 4. So therefore, how to process, right? So therefore here, let's go ahead and understand few possible permutation combination, right? So here, right, we understand that, right? If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we want to create a number, so the number must be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, or maybe 5, 2, 3, 1, 4. Or maybe it will be 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, right? Because repetition is allowed. It may be all 1 and then 4, right? Anything is possible. And it's over, right? So it's as the repetition is allowed, right? It's a huge number, but it's not the problem here. It says that we have to decide the number so that is divisible by 4. So can this number is divisible by 4? No. Can this number is divisible by 4? No. So you have to find a number that is divisible by 4, and that particular number is only counted by 1, and so on. We have to process. So that's why here we have to recall the condition of divisibility. So what is the condition of divisibility? The condition of divisibility says that a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit is divisible by 4. For example, we can go ahead and say 2 and 12 because these two numbers are divisible by 12, 4, so 2 and 12. If I add 1 here, then it's divisible. If I change by 2, still is divisible. So that's the divisibility condition. So that's why here as we look for a 5-digit number using this letter, right? So I consider 12 as the last two digits. Now it will be 345 or maybe 333 or maybe 555 or maybe 444 and 3, whatever may be, right? If the last two digits is 12, it's possible. Now, can I find any other combination or which is divisible by 4? Yes, see that they are 12. We can find 24, we can find 32, 44, and 52. So our last two digits, right, will be either 12 or 24, 32, 44, and 52. So therefore, we say that, right, as the number is divisible by 4. So therefore, right, our last two digits, right, will be definitely be formed by these two numbers, that is 12, 24, 32, 44, and 52. Okay, that's it. We already explained. So now here we consider a 5-digit number. So that's why with that 5-digit number we consider by 5 boxes. Okay. Now, as the number is divisible by 4, so therefore last two digits will be 12, 24, 32, and so on. Therefore, it can be last two digits can be filled by 5 different ways. Now we have 3 places left, and these 3 places we need to be filled it now. Let's go ahead. Now here, as the repetition is allowed, we already discussed many times for this problem. So therefore, each of the remaining places can be filled in 5 ways, right? So therefore, first all boxes, right, will be filled in 5 ways, and these things will be need to be multiplied now. So therefore, the total number of number which is divisible by 4 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So therefore it will be 5 to the power 4, and that's why it's 624, and that's why 625 is the correct answer for this particular problem. And that's it. Hope you understood it. Thank you.